Wait a second, I got something. When I started at Starkey, about in 1994, this was all make repair. And I would say, right here, this was my first job. And that was sorting out old hearing aids, and by make, model, busting open the faceplate, getting parts, and really understanding what was a CIC, a canal, full shell. And this was full of, and we'll see it in a bit, but all make repair department was here. Now this is all make repair. There's some hearing aids that we had for our customers, and then every single one of these, usually manufacturers that aren't in business anymore. Donated hearing aids from years gone past, every type of make and model you can think of, because you never know what we're going to get in to repair. But we're the only ones, I think there's 2 all make repair labs that are left. But Starkey's still the #1 when it comes to all make repair. We do a lot of work, not just with our customers, but the Veterans Administration as well for all make repair.
Hey, Brandon, good to see you.
This is Rick Baran. He has been in charge of all make repair and a lot of other things for how many years?
52 years.
52 years. He looks better than I do. How many repair or all make techs do we have?
Well, we've got a total of about 41 people in the department.
41.
And we're currently doing probably about 1,300 to 1,500 repairs per day.
Wow.
And
So I was saying, business is still, it's necessary. And one thing I remember too is this was the original floor, and I haven't covered this up. They were wanting, when we were doing the remodeling and stuff, start like, no, we're going to leave this. This is part of the history of the building. When what, 75?
75 when we moved in here, rushing things back and forth on roller skates, and
Yeah.
it was a different time. And this was a giant building when we first moved in. We thought, oh my God,
Yeah. Yep.
more space than we will ever need. Now it's one of many.
All right.
So things have changed.
Good to see you, bud.
All right, great. All right.
Yeah, you probably didn't know that about the roller skating, but that was real. That was legit. That was efficiency.